Hi guys, Andrew from Victory Road here, bringing you another customer submission for PSA. This one's come from Charizard. The link to his Instagram will be in the description. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this send-off, because first up, we have an Expedition Charizard. Very nice. Non-hollow. Very little whitening on the back. Excellent card. Next up, we have a Art Academy Delphox numberless promo by February. Wow, beautiful. Be nice to see that get a PSA 10. Next up, a Art Academy Tangrowth numberless promo by Gosha. Fantastic artwork on there. Next up is a first edition Portuguese Charizard. Very nice and crispy. Everybody loves the fire lizard. What we got next? An English base set Charizard. Very nice hollow. What we got next? Oh, here we go. A team up Charizard. I believe it's from the most recent theme deck with the cracked ice hollow pattern. 14181. Wow, that's a large set. What we got next? Oh, another. This one's a pre-release team up Charizard. Seen quite a lot of these recently. Very nice indeed. Hopefully a 9 or a 10 contender. What we got next? Oh, we've got a Charizard G, which is Lance's Charizard. DP45 promo. Looking nice on the back as well. What we got next? A non-hollow Charizard from Team Up. I believe this come in the pre-release set or the theme deck, not quite sure. There's a little speck of white in there. Hope that's on the sleeve. Very nice indeed anyway. What's up next? A reverse hollow team up Charizard. Look at that pattern. It's blinding my camera. I like that. Nice on the back as well. Okay, what we got next? Oh, here we go. A Koro Shining Mew. Look at the hollow pattern on that. Very nice. Probably around a PSA 6 or 7. Next up, I believe this is the last card. Another Koro Shining Mew. Very nice. Okay, and that's everything. Thank you very much for watching. If you like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for alerts when I do more. Thank you for watching. Bye.